again, guys, this is Uncle Mike 395 here at Metro 4 this morning. And I'm going to be filming this. What is this, a Black Ops? I like this. This is nice. That is beautiful, man. Black Ops. I like these rims. They got Black Ops on them, too. I like that. See where it says right there? Look at that. That's nice. Green beret, huh? Yeah, this is nice. They don't have no paperwork. I'm probably locked up in on the inside. I can't get to it. A lot of these dealerships, they hide the paperwork from me because they know I'll show the price. I'm learning. They do that to me, guys, no lie. Some, I ain't gonna say this one, but some dealerships, they hide the paperwork from me because they know I'll show that price. And they don't want you to know the price come, you know, because they say, well, you know, if you see the price, you ain't gonna come out there and check it out. Like, damn, 60,000, 70,000, 80,000, you ain't gonna come out there, man. Ain't nobody got that kind of money these days, man. Not these days. I mean, some got it, some ain't. Some can, some can't. You know what it is. Check that out. I like that. So if they have no paperwork, it's probably very expensive. Okay, let me see. Oh, shit. Farambonza. Oh. They left it open. So let's see if they left the paperwork in here. Oh, shit. Here we go. No, that's not it. Okay. Let's look in the center console right here. Oh, I'm not opening this thing. How you open this? Just like that, Michael. Look how deep that is. Damn. Pretty deep. Well, this is a limited, what is it, 2020 edition? Okay. Wow. And here, once again, we got this here. I can't find, they really hit the paperwork on this one. Good, 'cause I can't even find it on this one. So guys, to do the same thing that I do, we video cars at dealership. They know what I'm talking about when they hide the paperwork from them sometimes. Not all the time, sometimes they hide them. Like this ain't nowhere, because usually it's in the center console or it's in here in the glove compartment. It's not in here. But anyway, let's move on, shall we? It's cold out here. Check out all this sauce on me, man. It's cold out here, I told you. But I'm out here doing it for you guys. I love you guys, man. My subscribers and potential subscribers. Maybe one day you guys that hanging on the fence will just come on over that fence and just subscribe to it, brother. Help an old man out. I appreciate it, man. Let me get my thumbnail shot of this. All right, guys, that's it. I'm going to move on. I'll see you guys on the other side. I tried to find the paperwork, but it wasn't in there. But anyway, I'll see you guys on the other side here. Let me get my shadow out of there. Late.